Roofing contractors saying they'll replace wood where needed often means only the rotten or damaged parts get swapped, not the whole deck under your shingles. So here's the deal. When your contractor says where needed, they're usually spot fixing bad wood, not ripping everything out. If the wood looks old but still solid, like in your case, that's actually pretty normal. Old pine wood can look dark or stained from years of tar paper and weather, but it might still be rock solid underneath. If you wanted a full replacement, that usually means a bigger price tag because they'd remove all the old boards and put down new plywood sheets instead. Most modern replacement wood is plywood, which isn't always better than old-growth pine since it can be less dense and have more knots. If the wood doesn't feel soft or crumbly when you poke it or knock on it, it's probably fine to leave as is. Just make sure your contractor inspects thoroughly and replaces any spots that are genuinely damaged to avoid leaks or mold later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with roof wood replacement is not reading the contract carefully, assuming where needed means total replacement. This leads to frustration when only part of the wood gets changed. Fix this by asking up front if full replacement is included or extra. Another common issue is not checking the condition of the wood yourself or missing hidden rot. Always ask your contractor to show you the damage before they replace anything. Third, some folks get sold on replacing all the wood without a good reason, which can blow up the budget unnecessarily. The fix here is to get a second opinion or a clear explanation about why full replacement is or isn't necessary for your roof's health. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who won't mess around and really know their stuff. Contractors love it too because it helps them connect with people who actually need their skills without wasting time chasing leads.